Do you need a gaming PC under $600 where you can play games at 1080p resolution with more than 100 plus FPS? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. Now today we'll be reviewing the SkyTech Chronos mini gaming. It costs around $599, and why this PC is so cheap and so powerful. In this video we'll find that out. Let's get started. This PC comes with a 10th generation Intel Core i3 processor. It's a 4-core 8-thread CPU. Now you all know for gaming, single core performance matter the most, and this processor comes with 3.4 GHz base clock speed, which can boost up to 4.3 when needed, so it has enough power to deliver while gaming. And also it comes with an included cooler, and since this CPU is not that power hungry, this cooler is more than enough. Then comes the heart of a gaming PC build, the graphics card, and here we are getting the GeForce GTX 1650. It's a 4GB graphics card made for 1080p gaming, and what are the games you can play with this graphics card we will see later in the video. Then for the RAM, we will be getting 8GB 3000 MHz DDR4 RAM. Now this 8GB RAM is okay for 1080p gaming, but it would have been better if they shipped this PC with 16GB of RAM. But since upgrading RAM is so easy and also very cheap, you can always upgrade to 16GB if you want. Then for the storage, you will be getting a 500GB SSD. Now this 500GB SSD is more than enough for a gaming PC that cost only under $600. Also this storage is more than enough to keep all of your modern games, and if you need to upgrade in future, you can always do it. It's super easy. Now comes the most important part. What are the games that you can play with this PC? Now at first we have the Rainbow Six Siege. You can play these games at 1080p resolution with 140 plus FPS. Then comes another of my favorite game, Valorant, and you can play these games at 1080p resolution with 110 plus FPS. And finally you can play Fortnite at 1080p resolution with 124 plus FPS. So overall you can use this PC for 1080p smooth gaming. Now by the time you are watching this video, pricing may change, so I will put the product link in the description in case you want to check the latest pricing. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching.